G'day, how are ya? Thanks for watching. Happy New Year, by the way. I was just thinking to myself, man, if I was starting out in photography today, maybe looking to buy second-hand, what would I buy? My first camera, whether a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, what would I buy? Probably going to start looking second-hand, but also a check into brand new. Let's say I've got $500 cash in my hand. Hey, that's New Zealand dollars, so if you're in the US, it's around about half. So you're cracking out with $250 in hand. Can you pick up a decent second-hand camera that can get you into photography today? Alrighty, let's rip into it. So I went to trademe.co.nz, which is basically our Amazon or eBay here in New Zealand, and I searched up DSLR camera. I figured we're going to look for mirrorless cameras as well, but DSLR is a good place to start. And as I said, we've got $500 in hand, so I refined the search for that, and it popped up the results. The first one here, the Canon M50D DSLR camera body, no lens, couple of batteries by the looks, a strap, a box, a 50D. Buy now $200. Well, the 50D is, well, it's an old camera, but it's not exactly that old, and it is a high-range camera. I mean, you've got the 50, the 60, the 70, the 80, and now the 90D, so we are going back a bit, but this is still a great camera. Really good start. Next up, we got the Canon EOS 1300D. This one has a lens and a card and a cap and a strap. Not bad, looks tidy. $430 buy now. Well, you probably get that a bit cheaper actually, to be honest. I mean, this is a really good deal. If you want to pick something up straight away, just buy it. But you can get something cheaper if you look. Here's something here, the Nikon camera D40. Not a bad old camera. $130, no reserve. Someone has to bid. You could be the first bid, you could be the winning bid. $130, that would be a really good way to get into photography today. A Samsung option, $400, no reserve, place a bid. Well, it could sell for a lot more than $400, but this would be a terrific camera. I hear Samsung make fantastic cameras. Marcus Pick says so, and if Marcus Pick says so, I believe it. So I'd be quite keen to have this camera anyway, even if I wasn't starting out. But I won't be buying it today. But it is an option, $400. I guess it could sell for more than that if the auction carries the price a bit higher, but still an option to consider. What else we got? We got the Canon EOS 1200D DSLR, no charger. Well, that's no big deal. Not really too interested in that. Seems it's faulty. Now we've got the Nikon DSLR camera D3100, $500, no reserve. Well, we could blow the budget in the first click. We could be outbid. We've only got $500 in hand. I like to have a little bit of cash left over for accessories. Oh, this looks all right. Nikon D70 camera and accessories. Looks like it's got a heap of stuff here. 2 lenses, a 28 to 200, that's a big lens, and a 24 to 120. We got a compact flash card, we got a speed light, we got a strap. We got all sorts of things with this software here. A Nikon, good camera, charger. We got a flash trigger. Some bits and pieces. This is not too bad of a deal. $389, buy now, click on that. All that stuff there is yours. And you still got $111 for anything else you might want to spend it on. What a great deal. We got the Canon DSLR 100, not interested. Too expensive. The Canon EOS 550D, that is a great camera. 18 megapixels with a lens, built-in flash, image stabilized lens, comes with a strap, must have a battery. That's a good deal, that one. That's a good deal. But going back to this Canon 50D, the very first result, admittedly it doesn't have a lens, but hey, you buy this for $200 and you've got $300 set off aside, you can go off and buy a lens. I'd recommend the 18 to 135 with that kind of money. But that's definitely the best option we've seen there. What's this one here? Canon 700D? 700D, great camera. Yeah, it's a pretty good camera. And we'll just scroll through some of the other options here. Oh, we've got a Sony, an SLT A33. This is a DSLR. It's pretty old, but hey, if you want a Sony, it could be a good option. $499, no reserve. Well, once again, it could go over budget. Here's one though, an Alpha 3500. Not too bad, that price. And we'll just scroll through, checking for anything else that might pop up. Yeah, I think we've checked it all out. I mean, that the Canon 50D there, if I was coming in to buy a second-hand camera today, I'd just buy that right away today. Go off and get a lens. Sorted, mate. All right, let's have a bit of a look for mirrorless cameras here. And hang on a second, the budget looks a bit high. We'll just adjust that again. We're going for $500. We've got cash in hand. And so the results have popped up here, and we'll scroll through, see if anything new pops up. Yeah, here's some options. The Olympus EM10 Mark II Digital. Yeah, that's an option. Not bad, not bad. The Nikon 1J1 10.1 megapixel DSLR camera with 10 to 30mm lens. That looks pretty cool for a little compact. I'd have a crack at that, for sure. What was the price on this? $250. Buy now. That's all right. Well, there we go. That was the search results on Trade Me for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. What about brand new? I jumped onto Noel Leeming, which is like appliance electronics retailer here in New Zealand at one of the big chains. Well, first thing I saw was the M50. I love the M50, but that's over our budget. And then what's this? The Canon EOS 3000D. Yeah, sure, it's one of their most entry-level cameras, but this is brand new with a lens. $446. You still got $64 left over. 54. Oh my God, my maths. 18 megapixel, comes with the EF S18 to 55 lens. It's got Wi-Fi, 2.7-inch high resolution LCD screen. Great camera. An excellent, excellent camera. You can get amazing results out of this. Brand new, out of the box, out of the store. 446 New Zealand dollars, 320 US dollars, and I'd hazard a guess the 3000D is a lot cheaper than that in the US right now, right today. Alrighty, that's that. What do you make of that? If you're starting out today, second-hand or brand new, well, that option in the second-hand was great, but probably not going to beat that brand new option. There you go. Just food for thought. Have a great day. Catch you on the next one. Alrighty, that's that. What do you make of that? If you're starting out today, second-hand or brand new, well, that option in the second-hand was great, but probably not going to beat that brand new option. There you go. Just food for thought. Have a great day. Catch you on the next one.